Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn that is cost sheet. As we know, cost sheet is a document which provide for assembly of the detailed cost of a cost center or cost unit. Basically, cost sheet is a combination of prime cost, factory cost, overhead cost and selling and distribution cost. Prime cost is basically includes the cost of all direct material, direct labor and direct overhead. जितने भी आपके direct expenses होते हैं that comes in prime cost. After prime cost we includes factory overheads. Basically it includes the rent, any other indirect expenses, whether it's rent, carriage inward, any salary, manager salary. By adding factory cost to the prime cost comes cost of production. In that we add overheads expenses, office rent, office electricity, office lighting, that comes in overhead expenses. After that we add selling and distribution expenses, that comes total cost of sales or cost of production. For this we are going to take a practical question. Basically in the question there is a purchase of raw material, direct wages, rent, insurance, carriage inward, raw material, stock, work in progress and sale is given. For that, first we take the prime cost. For prime cost, basically we take opening stock of a raw material that consists of 10,000. We add purchases in that. If purchases is given in the question, that means it's a purchase of raw material, and raw material comes in direct expenses. So we add up of this, that is 70,000 less closing stock minus 11,000 plus direct wages, that is 50,000. That the prime cost comes 1,09,000. If wages come, that comes in direct cost. If salary come, that comes in indirect cost. Basically it comes in factory overheads. Now after prime cost we add the factory expenses. In factory expenses it is given over there that there is a rent comes 20,000. Carriage inward, the carriage inward we know that in the expenses which we are bear up on to produce the goods, so it's 1,000. Then factory supervision charges 4,000, that comes 25,000. We add 25,000 in 1,09,000, that comes 1,34,000 plus opening stock of WIP, work in progress is 2,400, it comes 1,36,400. Then closing stock of WIP less करेंगे, it comes 1,28,400. that comes cost of production. Then add opening stock of finished stock 8,000, that comes 1,36,400 less closing stock of finished stock, that is 16,050. that comes cost of goods sold 1,20,350. and the selling and distribution overheads given over there is 12,000. By adding up this it is 1,32,350, that is cost of sales. And the sales is given over there, that is 1,50,000. By deducting cost of sales from sales, it comes the total profit. Hence by this we can make the cost sheet. I explained one question. I'll give you the another questions as your assignments. Thank you.